In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add documents and files in Todoist. This is a great feature for organizing and keeping track of tasks that require additional information or supporting documents. Whether you're managing a project or just trying to streamline your daily to-do list, adding files can make your tasks more comprehensive and informative. Let's dive in and see how you can easily accomplish this. First, you'll want to open Todoist on your preferred device. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can access the necessary features. Todoist is available on both desktop and mobile, but today we'll focus on the desktop version for clarity. Once you're in the app, navigate to the My Projects section. This is the hub where you'll find all your active and upcoming projects. You can select any project where you plan to add a file as part of a task. This flexibility allows you to attach files to both work-related projects and personal tasks. Next, you'll want to identify the specific task to which you want to add a document. Click on the task to open its detailed view. If you haven't created the task yet, you can add a new one by clicking the Add Task button. Make sure your task title and details are clear and descriptive, as this will help you stay organized and ensure the file you're attaching is relevant to the task at hand. Once you have the task open, you'll notice a paperclip icon at the bottom of the task detail view. This is your key to attaching documents or files, so go ahead and click on the paperclip icon. This action will prompt a dialog box to appear, allowing you to choose the file you want to attach. You can select files from your computer such as PDFs, images, documents, or spreadsheets. Depending on your Todoist plan, there may be some limitations on file size, so keep that in mind when choosing which files to attach. After selecting the file, you'll see it appear as an attachment within the task. Before finalizing everything, it's crucial to add a comment to the task if necessary. This can be done by clicking on the comment option alongside the attachment. Adding comments can provide context for the attached file or highlight any specific instructions, notes, or reminders you need to remember concerning the task and its document. With the file attached and comments added, you're all set. This simple process ensures you have all necessary documents linked directly within your tasks, making it easier to manage and access important information right when you need it. And that's it for today's tutorial on adding documents and files in Todoist. I hope this guide helps you stay organized and efficient in your task management. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.